Why was the steam engine cylinder so important? Imagine a world without engines that can turn steam into motion. It might seem simple now, but it was a game changer in history. The steam engine cylinder was at the heart of this transformation. It was the part that turned steam pressure into the mechanical power needed to run machines. Without it, the Industrial Revolution would have looked very different. Early engines like the Newcomen engine used atmospheric pressure to move the piston inside the cylinder. But this design was not very efficient because the cylinder had to be cooled and reheated repeatedly. This cooling wasted energy and limited how much power the engine could produce. The cylinder's job was to contain the steam and help transfer its energy into motion. When steam was applied to one side of the piston inside the cylinder, it pushed the piston back and forth. This movement could then drive machinery, pumps, or even locomotives. The size of the cylinder mattered a lot. Larger cylinders could produce more force, which meant more power for factories or trains. But early on, the design was limited because the cooling process caused energy loss. Then James Watt came along with a clever idea. He separated the condenser from the cylinder. This meant the cylinder stayed hot all the time, and steam was condensed in a different chamber. This change made the engine much more efficient because less energy was wasted cooling the cylinder. Watt also improved the piston seals, so steam didn't leak out and lost pressure. These improvements meant the engine could produce more power using less fuel. The cylinder became more reliable and capable of running longer without losing efficiency. As a result, steam engines could do more work, faster and cheaper. They powered factories, ships, and trains, transforming industries and transportation. The cylinder was the core of this change because it was where the magic of converting steam into motion happened. Its design improvements made steam engines practical for everyday use. This helped kickstart the Industrial Revolution, changing how humans worked, traveled, and built their world. Without the steam engine cylinder, the rapid growth of industry and technology would not have been possible. It was the key component that turned steam power into real, usable energy.